How to install Origin. I am going to show you how you can install Origin. Install Origin by double-clicking on the download file to run. Allow the setup to run until the Origin setup dialog box with 3 options is displayed. Select the first option, install product, and click next. Enter your name and company, Origin serial number, and click. You'll find 2 serial numbers on the Origin download site. Please select the correct one for the way you will be using Origin. Specify a location for Origin installation. The default location is set to cap program, and this one, directory. Click the browse button to specify a different location or manually edit the directory by typing the destination in the space provided, then click next. A question will pop up and then will appear requesting permission for the setup to create a destination directory. Then click yes. Select additional features for installation by clicking the boxes on the left, highlighting each feature on the left and displaying a description on the right, then clicking next. For Origin to be available to all users that log onto the computer, select all users. For it to be available to the current user logged onto Windows, select current user only, then click next. Select the program folder location. This folder is located in the start menu. The default location is already installed as displayed Origin Lab Origin 81. To change the location, manually enter a new location or select an existing folder from the list, then click next. Start copying files as a review of everything selected during the installation. Review this information to verify it is correct. If it is not correct, click the back button to make any changes, then click next. Setup complete will be displayed. The web browser will not be initiated if the box is unticked. The Origin menu starter folder will open, displaying the Origin program icon, and the user files folder will appear. Click OK and Origin Pro will load up.